Flume 2 is one of the most simple, clamp-on water monitors that uses your water meter's magnetic field to track real-time usage and alert you about leaks and drips. But there's no auto shutoff. It doesn't work with every meter, and it uses proprietary batteries. So in this video, we'll test Flume 2 on monitoring accuracy, leak alerts, and everyday usability to see if it is actually worth the money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, water monitoring accuracy and leak detection. Instead of connecting to pipes, Flume 2 monitors water usage through your water meter. The sensor reads the magnetic field created by the meter's disk, and that data is sent wirelessly to the Flume bridge, which pushes all the data to the cloud via your Wi-Fi. From there, the Flume app analyzes your water usage patterns down to 0.01 to 0.03 gallons per minute. That's enough to catch a dripping faucet, a stuck toilet flapper, or a leaking irrigation line. And when it finds one, you get push notifications and text alerts right away. You also get real-time water usage data and compare your consumption with other similar households. Since Flume relies on external magnetic readings, it's not as precise with very tiny drips compared to internal sensor systems like Flume. Also, you may need to adjust the default leak alert settings to get faster or more sensitive notifications. For example, if the default threshold is set too high, a leak with moderate flow may not trigger an alert until you lower the settings. Flume will notify you if the Wi-Fi goes offline, but it won't notify you if the sensor itself stops reporting to the bridge. In that case, you have to manually check the device and reconnect it. Also, Flume 2 does not offer automatic water shutoff like Flume. For that, you need to integrate it with YoLink Smart Shutoff Valve. But it does integrate with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to ask for daily or monthly water usage through voice commands. Next, let's head over to ease of installation. Flume 2 is fairly easy to install. There's no plumbing modification, no cutting pipes, and no need for a plumber. Just attach the Flume sensor directly over the water meter using the adjustable strap and plug the Flume bridge to a power outlet and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Don't forget to pair the sensor and bridge using the Flume app. However, Flume isn't compatible with every type of water meter like ultrasonic or multi-jet meters, since those don't create the magnetic signal Flume depends on, so check your water meter compatibility before installing it. The sensor enclosure is IP67 rated for water submersion, but if it's fully submerged, it won't be able to transmit data, so avoid that. Moving on to ease of maintenance. Flume 2 doesn't require monthly fees to access its core features. However, some advanced app features are now part of a paid subscription plan. But one ongoing cost is the battery replacements. Unlike competitors like Hydrific, Flume uses a proprietary battery, and replacements cost around $20 per pack. They are rated to last about a year, though some users report shorter lifespans. Also, there are two things to keep in mind. The bridge must stay plugged in and within range of your Wi-Fi router to maintain a stable connection. If the bridge disconnects, the system can't send alerts. Second, periodically check the sensor on your meter to make sure it's still secure, clean, and free of debris. On the positive side, your water usage data is secure. Flume doesn't share your data unless you explicitly grant permission. Finally, let's analyze warranty and customer support. Flume 2 includes a 1-year limited warranty for manufacturing defects and a 30-day return period. The company also works with many U.S. water utilities, and some provide rebates, which can help lower the upfront cost. Customer support quality can vary. Some issues are resolved smoothly while others may require follow-up, so overall support can feel inconsistent depending on the situation. With all said and done, here's the key takeaway. Flume 2 is a solid option for water monitoring and leak detection, especially if you want an easy, non-invasive installation. But it does rely on your water meter, lacks automatic shutoff, and may come with ongoing costs like app subscriptions and proprietary battery replacements. So, if you want more advanced protection or built-in shutoff features, it's worth comparing alternatives like Flume or Hydrific by checking out these videos next.